title of the story is Red the Rescuer. Big Joe and his tow truck. Red are always ready for a rescue. Like the time when a bridge over the river got stuck, and Red had to pull up the bridge so a boat could pass. Then there was a time that a house was about to topple into the sea. Joe hooked up the crane and yelled, "Pull as hard as you can, Red!" Red pulled with all his might and moved the house into safety. One day, Red began to cough and splutter. Big Joe opened the bonnet. "A water hose is leaking," said Joe, "and I don't have a spare. I hope someone will stop to help us." Soon, a boy rode up on his bicycle. The boy smiled. "Try my repair kit. I use it to mend bicycle tires." "Thanks!" laughed Joe. "Ha ha ha. Tell your friends that you rescued Red the Rescuer." The end. The moral of the story is helping others is the right thing to do always.